Hello students, from today we start to solve the IB Math EA HL November 2023 paper 2. Today we'll be solving the very first question, that is the question 1 of this paper. You will be getting the links to all the previously solved questions of the other papers in form of playlists in my channel NS Online Math Tutoring Classes. You will also be getting playlists where the solved past paper questions will be grouped by the topics. You will be getting a playlist related to vectors. All the past paper questions that are on the vectors topic will be present there. So the solved past paper questions are grouped based on their topics. I am Nilanjana Sanyal. I am an online IB Math HL level tutor. I tutor students from both within India and outside India. In case you want to join my classes, please contact me for more details. My phone number and my website link are given below at the bottom of the screen. And this is a common question, common for both the HL level students and the SL level students. For the SL level students, it is question number 2, and for the HL students, it is question 1. So without any further delay, let us start answering this question. The maximum mark is 6. The following diagram shows a pyramid with vertex V and rectangular base OABC. This is the pyramid. Point B has coordinates 6, 8, 0. This is B. Point C has coordinates 6, 0, 0, and point V has coordinates 3, 4, 9. Okay, and there are two subparts. Subpart E is saying find BV. That is this one. Okay. Find BV means we have to find the distance or the length of the line segment BV. Okay. So let us start our answer from this point. We will be using the distance formula, and BV will be equal to square root of, let me take this minus this. Okay. So 6 minus 3 whole square plus 8 minus 4 whole square plus 0 minus 9 whole square. So this is equal to 6 minus 3 is 3, 3 square is 9, plus 8 minus 4 is 4, 4 square is 16, and minus 9 whole square is 81. You can use your calculator. This is a paper 2 question, so let me use my calculator. It is 81. I remember the 81 plus, most probably it was 16, and the first one was 9. Let's check once more. Yeah, 9 and 16 and 81. So I did not take the square root. I have to take the square root. Okay, so square root, and this is the answer, 106. So now I'll be getting the square root. 10.2956 and all up to 3 significant figures, it will be 10.3. So the length of the line segment BV is 10.3 units. Because we do not know the units, so I am writing units. Okay? It is units. Fine. I can move this a little so that, yes. We have answered this part A. BV is 10.3 units. Now coming to subpart B. Find the size of the angle BVC. That is this one. BVC. Okay. So in order to get, actually you can get the size of this angle BVC in multiple ways. You may draw the perpendicular, draw this perpendicular, but in order to understand, realize that you can use this method, you have to first of all realize that this triangle BVC is an isosceles triangle. In case you don't realize that, you will not be able to use this method. So I am not using this method. You will be giving your examination, so you may not be noticing this fact. So first of all, I'll be using the cosine rule. Okay. So we have got the length of BV. Let us find the lengths of CV and BC. So it is CV is equal to, again I'm taking this minus this. 6 minus 3 whole square plus 0 minus 4 whole square plus 0 minus 9 whole square. So this is equal to 6 minus 3 is 3, 3 square is 9, and 0 minus 4 is minus 4 whole square is 16, and 0 minus 9 is minus 9 whole square is plus 81. So these are exactly the same numbers that we had got previously. So the answer, we know the answer, that is equal to 10.3 up to 3 significant figures. Let us not take up to 3 significant figures, because for the final answer we always take up to 3 significant figures, but for further calculation we usually, at least I don't ask my students to take up to 3 significant figures. So let me get more number of digits. It was not 10.3, rather it was 10.2956. Okay, so let me write this. It is 10.2956. I'm just writing this so that I will be taking this one. Let me not write this one. This is 10.2956, and this will also be the same, 10.2956. And the BC. So BC is equal to, okay, let me take this minus this. So 6 minus 6 whole square plus 8 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 0 whole square. So 6 minus 6 is 0, 0 square is 0, and 8 minus 0 is 8, 8 square is 64, and again 0 minus 0 whole square is 0. So it is basically square root of 64, which is equal to 8. This is units, and this is also units. Okay. So now that we have got the lengths of the 3 sides of this triangle, we can use the cosine rule to find the angle BVC. So I am writing 8 square. This is 8. So I'll be starting with the side which is opposite to the angle, and of course there is the rule where it starts with the angle cos theta equal to, but actually I ask my students to remember one form, so that and also I ask my students to memorize some of the basic formulas, so that you don't waste your time searching for every formula, every required formula from the formula booklet. You don't have yes, you have sufficient time, but you don't have more than sufficient time. So it is better if you can remember some of the formulas. That is why I ask my student to remember only one form of this cosine rule. So it is 8 square. We always start with the side opposite to the given angle. So 8 square equal to 10.2956 whole square, and again plus 10.2956 whole square. So I can multiply this with 2, because a plus a is 2a. So this whole square plus the same thing whole square is equivalent to 10.2956 whole square times 2. Okay, and minus 2 times again this times this, right? The cosine rule, let me write this, it may be c square, it is a small c. C square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab cos c. Okay, so this is the cosine rule. So a and b, they are the same because it is the isosceles triangle. Therefore, a square plus b, a square is equal to 2a square. Hence, I have written multiplied by 2. And this is also a and b, they are the same. So a times a is a square. So I am writing 2 times 10.2956 whole square, and cos, let me take this as theta because I'm not having much space. That's why I'm taking theta. You can write angle BVC, cos angle BVC. So therefore, I'm writing let theta equal to angle BVC. So therefore, 8 square is equal to 64 minus 10.2956 whole square times 2 divided by negative 2 times 10.2956 whole square. So this is equal to cos theta. Let us find the value. Okay. So it is 64 minus 2 times this one, 10.2956 whole square. Okay. And this is minus 2 times this. Okay. I have multiplied with 2 before, so I don't have to write them multiplied by 2 after this. So this is again minus 2 times 10.2956 square. Enter. It is 0.6981114. 0.6981114. Therefore, cos theta, cos, or again, I can write angle BVC because I'm having space over here. But if you write cos theta, then you have to write this line, let theta be equal to angle BVC. Okay. So let me again read the value, 0.6981114. 0.6981114. In fact, I'm having more number of digits, which implies angle BVC is equal to, it will be cos inverse. So, it is actually not. I have to take trigonometry and cos inverse and the answer. Right. It is 0.798. And of course, you should be aware of your angle settings. It should be in radians. Okay. 0.798. Because they did not say that you give the answer in degrees, you have to give the answer in radians. Up to 3 significant figures, it is 0.798. Okay. Yeah. 0.798 is the answer. This is up to 3 significant figures, correct. Correct, up to 3 significant figures. Okay. And the previous one was also correct, up to 3 significant figures. Okay. So this was all for this question. Thank you for staying with me till the end. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Of course, in case you have liked my explanation, please like this video and please do share this video with your friends. And we meet again very soon when we will be solving the very next question of the same paper. Till then, bye.